currently under construction. Behind me you can see all the construction workers hard at work bringing Darlington, the brand new refurbished Darlington station, to a grand success. And here is one of the platforms where the trains who normally come in these platform 1, 2, 3 and 4 will also be using this outside platform, and there will be a footbridge that will go from the outside platform into the main Darlington station itself. This should be completed by 2030.